If you're looking for the perfect specification, Mark 7.5 Golf GTD, this is it. In the beautiful Reflex Silver, which is a lovely metallic silver. This has got loads of extras, all the extras that you'd want. Things like the full Vienna Leather interior, the 19-inch Brescia wheels, which I'll show you in a few seconds. But the car's got 14,000 miles, and today with the live pricing, this car is 25,490. I've had it previously when I've got a GTD for sale. I've had customers asking me, has it got this and has it got that? And almost every time I'd say, yes, it's got this, this and this, but it's missing A, B and C. Well, this one has all them desirable extras that you'd want. It's just a fantastic car. The condition, the mileage, it's a DSG gearbox and it's a diesel. Being the 0.75 model, you've got the upgraded headlights, what you call the facelifted headlights with the daytime running lights and the full xenons. Headlight washers, the more upgraded and refined bumpers with their bigger grills. Front parking sensors, rear parking sensors. It just looks amazing from every single angle. It's a 5-door hatchback that gives you great running cost, has enough power, and as I mentioned before, this has got the upgraded genuine 19-inch Brescia Alloys, which just finishes this car off immaculately. GTD side badges there, you've got sun protection glass, and then another big extra, the panoramic tilt and slide and sunroof. It's huge. I've mentioned once already about the Vienna Leather, that full bucket style and sport seats, perforated leather, with heated seats and that lovely dark grey beading all the way around. Just makes this car again, it's just stunning. You've then got the DCC, the dynamic chassis control. I've had that question so many times, and like I said, a lot of times I'm sorry it hasn't got it. This one has that. The things I look out for is upgraded wheels, DCC, pan roof and full leather. Obviously DSG, and this is it. 14,000 miles in a immaculate condition, inside and out. The centre armrest in the back pops down. ISOFIX attachments, you've got 3-point seatbelts for all the passengers, and at 25,490, it's such a rare car. LED with the sweeping dynamic rear indicators, all the LED individual brake lighting system. Press the VW badge, and you've got yourself a very nice, neat boot. It's just big enough. Underneath, you have more cubbyhole space and a little bit of a space saver there. Seats go down 60/40, and remember this car has keyless entry, so as long as the keys are in your pockets, you can walk up to it, it'll open up. As you walk away, you press the door handle just there and it locks for you. It is spotless, inside and out, including the driver's seat, because remember these have that bucket style seat on them. So a lot of the times, had this car doing 55,000 miles, the foam starts to collapse. It shows scuffs marks. You've got electric folding mirrors, but the mirrors are also heated. Push button start, and you've got that full digital live cockpit, flat bottom steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, voice control, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, dual zone climate control. It's got everything. Paddle shift just there. What a car this is, with 14,000 miles on. Touchscreen media system, which is a navigation, Bluetooth, DB digital radio. As mentioned, press the mode button, and then the DCC allows you to change and configure your driving pattern and the sort of suspension and steering and everything else on it. It's just, how cool is this car? It is one of the best GTDs I have seen, and I love the colour, because the Reflex Silver is quite a rare colour. For me, a bit of a twist. It's silver with a tinge of grey in it, and I think it looks amazing. Everything about the 0.75 model, the lights, this particular one, the wheels. It's a sporty looking car that gives you great running cost, and still 184 brake horsepower. Absolutely brilliant. 25,490. My name's Joe. My name and number is on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.